nightmares. Ladies and gentlemen, or more accurately, I should say fellas, and the 6 or 8 ladies that will probably click on this video as well. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. While we're talking about analytics, hey, just saying, it's free to subscribe if y'all want. Helps me out. Actually, it doesn't really help me out a lot. It just makes my heart feel warm. So hit subscribe if you're new, guys. We have a cool video today because we're replacing the mirror caps on the C63 AMG. I know you guys haven't seen this car a lot on the channel because it's been in storage, obviously. It's February right now, February 3rd to be exact. So the tires on this aren't exactly the best for winter. But without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. We have some mirror caps to replace and install, so let's do it. What we're doing is replacing the mirror covers on Carson's car because let's take a look. That's disgusting, honestly. One of the grossest things I think I've ever seen on a car. Look at this.
And it gets full of water and it's just...
Yeah, it's nasty. So that's coming off today, getting a full replacement with, where are they? In here. With these carbon fiber replacements. Now, these look super cool. Let's take them out just to get a little peek. Carbon fiber going on the car. Is this your first carbon fiber mod?
Yeah.
Congratulations. We're actually gonna try taking the mirror itself off first because we just watched a video, an instructional tutorial, fully in German. And it says to do it this way, so.
That thing does not want to move, homie.
Let me try it. Just like that, the mirror's off.
How do I disconnect these wires? What did Hans say to do?
How did Hans disconnect these wires? Mirror's off. Step 1 is done. All right, flash is on. What is that, T10?
Oh, yes.
So we got the T10.
It's just, yep.
Hey.
It didn't even break. Oh my God, that's dirty in there.
Yeah, that's nasty. I bet that hasn't been cleaned in
Ever.
12 years.
Oh wait, there we go. In progress.
That's good. All right, well, this is the progress we made so far. I did unroll the window just because I didn't want to scratch up the outside of the car.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Did the brute force work?
Yeah. I don't see anything broken.
All the tabs are good.
The wires disconnected themselves.
Wait, what?
It just pulled right out of there.
Okay, I'm gonna work on the other one right now. You said it just popped off?
Pretty much.
All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna talk to it a little bit. So Carson got the second mirror off. Brute force seems to be the way to go here.
Thank goodness I got new ones.
The same point on both sides now. I think it's time for the carbon bits to go on. Is that right?
Yeah, I'm gonna clean that one off. Add it as well.
Parts, new carbon parts.
Oh, can you grab that plastic?
This,
Nope.
this,
Nope.
this.
Yes.
Oh, baby.
Hey, look at that.
That's awesome. We got the wiring done. Somehow, some way, we figured it out. Oh my goodness, guys, that was so confusing. There are like so many different wires. We thought we had to splice some stuff and become full-blown electricians, but turns out it is way easier than we thought. So all we have to do now is put this on. This little bottom tray is in, and then this goes over it, and then the last step is just to put the actual mirror on. All right, ladies and gents, we moved pretty quick with this one. Honestly, looks super good. Had a couple issues with the wiring and then a couple issues with some clips because, hey, not everything made in Taiwan is of excellent German quality. So what we ended up doing is just screwing this on. None of the clips are actually broken in this one, so we lucked out, but damaged in shipping
Is every single clip on.
Oh my goodness
mirror.
gracious. So unfortunately, yes, they did come like that. However, the wiring we figured out is just a couple different wires. And honestly, spending a lot more time than I thought with this project. Usually with car stuff, it does end up being longer than you anticipate with upgrades and installs, but this is new. This is new territory for me. All right, so what we ended up doing is putting this on the top. It's supposed to click in. We didn't hear any clicks because of obviously the damaged parts and shipping. So we're making the most of it. We got this lined up, ready to go. And then this piece, which is the first thing we took off, just kind of clips in and we push in Yeah, now we're clipped in. So we're clipped, we're screwed. That feels sturdy. Oh, new carbon fiber. I think we actually made it work.
Kevin,
What? What?
look down here.
What? Oh, is that a wire?
Yes.
Well. All right, so we fixed our little issue. This bottom part is now clipped in and tucked well. So screwing in the last couple components and then getting this mirror on and we'll be done. What we found helpful is to roll the windows down during this process. That's on, ladies and gents. All right, let's get a microfiber, wipe down our greasy fingerprints off both the mirror and the brand new carbon fiber. That's on there solid. Other side is looking good. Yeah, let's get a microfiber. Whew, ladies and gentlemen, finally finished with the carbon fiber mirror cap install on the C63 AMG. Took a bit longer than we thought, but man, does it look good. Where is that original? Disgusting. Yup, look at this. Day and night difference, honestly, might be a thumbnail right here. So much better.
God, that thing is ugly.
Does this give you nightmares? Where are you going with those, sir?
It's right over there. These things give me nightmares.
That probably would have gone in if it was open. Ladies and gents, we've been blessed with a beautiful sunset here. Oh my gosh, you should have just done that. Now it looks way better. Where did it go? Oh, it's look at this piece. See you never. Nice little bonus. We got a sunset. It's golden hour.
Oh, should I pull my car out?
Cars are looking good. Yeah. Follow Carson on Instagram, Black C63's got it in the door. Just made his account recently, so go show him some love with a follow for being the star of today's show. Absolutely beautiful in the sunlight. We've got a nice little sunset reflection in the brand new carbon fiber piece. Ladies and gents, what do we think?
Yeah, it ties the whole car together.
It literally, like, it does, because this is carbon fiber. This was chrome from the factory, which is gross up here. So this has been blacked out. This has been blacked out. Well, carbon fiber, of course. Took a little bit of time. Sorry if it felt a little claustrophobic. We were really in there today, getting dirty with some of the wiring and some of the install. But overall, guys, I would say very happy with the outcome of today's project. Before and after, huge difference. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to click like, subscribe if you are new. And until next time, rock on.